Hey guys, it's your girl Tandiwe and I am back with another video. So on today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this handbag cake. Okay guys, so right now I'm cutting the cakes to get the shape that I want. Okay guys, so I have icing on my cake stand so that I'll put my cake on top of it, and I moisturize my cake with the sugar syrup so that the cake can always stay fresh. And right now I'm just putting some icing on my cake slices. So right now I'm just covering my cake with icing all around. So I'm gonna roll the fondant so that I can start covering my cake. So if you guys are interested on how I make a fondant, you can let me know on the comment section. So I cover my cake sides separately. So I'm gonna start with the top parts and then I'm gonna go with the back and the front. So I wanted to get the diamond shape on my bag, so I'm just using a knife, the back of the knife, to get the shapes. So right now I'm using a toothpick to create some holes so that I can put some decorations in them. So to paste my fondant, I use plain water and a brush. I'm just brushing it with water to get a shiny color. And there you go, I am done with the cake. I hope you enjoyed the video.